In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates with Gmail. Creating templates can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, especially if you often find yourself sending similar emails over and over again. With Gmail's built-in template feature, you can create and save multiple templates in just a few steps. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Gmail and click on the Compose button. This will bring up a new email window where we can start crafting our template. Think about what type of email you'd like to save as a template. It could be anything from a friendly reminder, an invitation, or even a sales pitch. Once you have the new message window open, go ahead and type out your email content. Remember to personalize it in a way that can be easily adaptable for future use. You'll want to leave placeholders for information that might change, like names or specific details, but ensure that the general structure and body of your email are ready to go. Now, look to the bottom right corner of the email window and click on the three vertical dots. This is the More Options menu where you'll find additional features that Gmail offers. Once you click on that, a menu will pop up. Move your cursor over to the Templates option. You'll notice a sub-menu appears. This is where we can manage our email templates. The next step is to hover over the option that says Save Draft as Template. This will open another menu, and from here you'll want to select Save as New Template. It's a straightforward action but very effective in ensuring the email you're composing can be saved for later use. At this point, you'll be prompted to type a name for your template. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive enough so you won't have trouble finding it later. Something like marketing campaign or meeting reminder works well. Typing the name and clicking save will finalize your template and store it under the templates menu for easy access. With that, you've successfully created a Gmail email template. You can now quickly insert it into any new email by clicking the same three-dot button, going to templates and selecting your saved template from the list. It's a simple, nifty feature that can streamline your email workflow remarkably. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating email templates in Gmail. By following these steps, you can easily manage your emails and increase your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.